Apple 2076. We don't know how Apple cars would look in the future. However, this designer has a concept version for the year 2076. There is little information about Apple's automotive program. The designer is from Istanbul, Turkey, has created a unique design as to how the future vehicle would look like. He didn't design something for the coming years. Instead, designed something far ahead in the future and created a 2076 Apple car. The designer believes that Apple would go more minimalist by they reach 2070. He has predicted the sharper edges starting from the year 2026 and then modifying that look for years to come. This concept car gives a look of simplicity. In photos, the car has a single sharp wedge and the front side of the car gives the look of a computer mouse. The car has two doors that are barely visible if not for the edges. The door handles are missing. Obviously, cars wouldn't be opening with door handles in 2076. The doors open with a touch of a person. It scans the fingerprints and opens only after the owner has touched it. In 2076, nobody would need to drive their car by themselves. Instead, there will be an interior lounge equipped with couches at the rear and front end of the car. Surprisingly, you won't find any wheels in this concept. Cam imagines that in 2076, cars would be running on magnetic roads. The glass in the car would be a smart glass giving a digital display inside. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.